Hi guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions. Welcome back to my channel. Well, the detox continues. We've been eating some healthy, fabulous food, and it's been really fun learning the new recipes and the Nutritarian style of cooking in the kitchen. Some of you have let me know that you're doing the detox and you're loving it as well. Well, keep the comments coming, and if you have any ideas or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments section below. So today we're going to cover days 5 through 11 on the Super Immunity Guided Detox by Dr. Fuhrman. But even if you're not doing the detox, hopefully you'll find some recipes or some new ingredients to incorporate into your meal plan. If this sounds good to you, give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get into the video. Day 5 started off with a bok choy ginger juice and my old friend a slice of Ezekiel sprouted grain toast with almond butter. If you've been watching this channel at all, you know that's one of my good old standbys. And as fun as this detox is, it was nice to have some familiarity. Lunch was a salad with creamy balsamic dressing and some really delicious baked portobello mushrooms. My guys loved these, and yes, they do taste better than they look. We also had some fresh mixed berries. Dinner was a greens, beans, and mushroom stew, which was very good, but the star of this show was the cherry vanilla nice cream. You know it's good when they're asking for more. On day 6, we had the mean green juice. We did have the apple chai steel cut oats as well. You know, spices are really good for you because they're full of phytochemicals, and boy, did this oatmeal have a lot of spices. Lunch was cut up raw vegetables with the rest of that tasty creamy balsamic dressing from the day before, and leftover greens, beans, and mushroom stew. Dinner was a tofu, lettuce, tomato, and onion sandwich accompanied by seasoned sweet potato fries that were very popular with my guys. Day 7 started off with an Enjoy the Beet smoothie. It's not very red because I was out of beets and had to substitute carrots. Alongside were some frozen berries with ground flaxseed, chopped walnuts, and homemade almond milk. This milk offered a second recipe to make chocolate milk, so I did that with half of the batch. Needless to say, it didn't last through the afternoon. It was so good. Lunch was Caesar's Secret Salad, which is very close to the Caesar salad in this video. If you haven't seen it yet, you've got to try the Nutritarian croutons. This is absolutely our favorite salad, but the recipe for the detox one added chickpeas, which was a different twist. The dessert for this lunch was outstanding. Churro truffles that use ancho chili and are rolled in cinnamon. These babies generated the comment, "I think this is my new favorite food." Dinner was bean pasta with tempeh bolognese and sautéed rainbow chard. I really love steamed greens. I'll post a link where you can watch my video on how easy it is to steam greens. On day 8, I needed to do my grocery shopping and did not have some of the items for the day, so I skipped ahead to the day 10 breakfast because I had all of those ingredients on hand. We really liked the chocolate smoothie and the cherries with ground flaxseed and almonds. Cherries and almonds just naturally go together. Lunch was more of our favorite Caesar salad and some beautiful fresh apricots. For dinner, we had the chipotle, avocado, and white bean wraps with steamed Brussels sprouts and mushroom and wheat berry soup. It was my first time using wheat berries. They reminded me of barley and were really good in the soup. Day 9 breakfast was the pretty purple juice. I was a bit leery of using red cabbage in a smoothie, but the rest of the ingredients balanced out the flavor, and it was very good. Alongside the juice, we had soaked oats with berries, bananas, and almond butter. Adding almond butter to the oats gave it a really rich flavor that we enjoyed. Lunch was a big salad with easy ranch dressing and some mushroom and wheat berry soup from the night before. Dinner was Thai tofu and veggies. For this dish, you marinate and roast the tofu so it's full of umami flavor and has a nice chew to it besides. This was a really flavorful dish. Couldn't wait for breakfast on day 10, having had it 2 days earlier and loving it. The chocolate smoothie and the cherries with almonds and flax did not disappoint. Lunch was a salad with leftover easy ranch dressing, which was definitely easy because I didn't have to make more salad dressing. And this one included shredded Brussels sprouts and roasted edamame, which added a bit of crunch and spice to the salad. Alongside, we had baked eggplant slices, which were actually pretty good. These would be good with a low-sodium marinara and Nutritarian parm as an homage to eggplant parmesan. Dinner was a Middle Eastern chickpea stew and quinoa sticky rice. Both were super flavorful. After dinner, I decided to prep the butternut squash for the next morning's breakfast. From now on, if I see butternut squash in a recipe and I can't find it already cut up in the freezer section, I'm going to run the other way. It took me 45 minutes to peel and cut the thing using vegetable peelers, cleavers, hammers, and sharp knives. The good thing was, by the time I was finished, I had enough butternut squash for 3 upcoming recipes. Phew! On day 11, we finally had the butternut blueberry breakfast and more of the pretty purple juice with the red cabbage. Lunch was leftover bean pasta with tempeh bolognese, Middle Eastern chickpea stew, and what was left of the baked eggplant. Dinner was a really great ETL burger, aka Eat to Live burger, accompanied by a whole bunch of steamed broccoli, and for dessert we had the dreamy green milkshake. Wow, was it delicious! So that's it for days 5 through 11 of the Super Immunity Guided Detox. I hope you found some inspiration here, be it all the time that we're spending in the kitchen or just finding some new recipes for you and your family to incorporate into your meal rotation. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. That way they'll come directly to you and you won't have to go looking for them. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.